G'day viewers, well I'm going to put this ballast tester I made to a box. That'll clamp on the bottom of that, glue it down, and that'll take up the gaps that are here and also fit snugly in and square it up and just screw it on the ends. That'll be in there just so I can help it fit snugly and give it some strength. Then I'll screw this down on the sides, that power port will go there, put a switch here to turn the earth on and off. Excuse me, man, it's got the horse now. So yeah, anyway, I just need to make a little filings so I can fit those snugly through and align the heating element. Then I put like a washer on the back, I'll bolt through these a little. It's got like I don't know where the hell the original bolts to it went, but I could just put it through and they'll align it for me. Just file out the ridges there to fit those 3 lugs, or just 3 bloody mounts. That'll go through there and that was centre it. It's actually not going to get hot enough to hurt the wood, so that'll go on the inside. I'll make a little thing out of that so it bolts it like a washer. So it's got something to snugly bolt onto. Put an earth lug on it. That'll be permanently earthed to the power point. Cut this up, put like a splice in through there to the switch. Then we'll just go into the earth circuit so I can turn it on and off. Depending on whatever I'm plugging in there, the ballast is shorted to earth or not. So yeah, let's get assembling. Okay, viewers, is all done. That's our finished product. If I want to burn something out to shorten to earth, switch it off, and that ballasts it, and the victim can just short to earth and burn up. Obviously, you got to know what you're doing when you're making something like this because it can be dangerous. So, as you can see, the earth goes into the switch, turn it on normally, so it earths normally, and I still have a ballast between the active, so if something shorts out, the ballast will kick in, and there's a fault to earth, and earth leakage breaker chips, switch it off, and the victim's on earth, and I could just overpowered a shorted the shorted tool and just burn it out, and this will take all the current. Yeah, so I can switch the earth on or off to ballast it, the earth fault on or off. But yeah, you got to know what you're doing, so that's my finished product. All I've got to do now is just put some screw here, and screw here, and it's just complete. Okay, viewers, it's just complete. Now I got to do a small test with my multimeter, make sure we're all working fine. Alright, a big messy, so do a continuity beep check. Earth and the pin, nothing. The switch on. Now go between that and the heating element. The heating element is also earthed, so I've got to put that in the heating element there. Yeah, it's earthed through the bolt anyway. That's permanently earthed. Hit stay, which it won't. Okay, that's always got to stay on for safety, never turn it off, so let's try turning that on and try the active side. So obviously got to go through the heating element first, so I'm not going to get much of a reading. Neutral works. Active, we got to do a resistance check here. Measure the resistance for the active. Should be 27 something ohms. And that's the heating element ohms there, so it's measuring the resistance of the heating element. 27.2 ohms in the active circuit, so whatever may be shorting out, all the current's got to be carried through here. And the power point won't burn out because it's being protected by the element, the ballast, protecting everything else. There we go, had it a bit too tight. But there you go. Obviously, if there's a fault to earth, only turn it off if you want to burn it out. But other than that, she's all complete. That's my ballast test box. So yeah, bought your slash ballast box. So thanks for watching.